oh. And so just an in a bit, thanks to Sari actually, I am a program director for a very interesting program for Finnish companies who are about to conquer the premium segment of luxury goods and services and products. And I must say that I am very thankful for the opportunity to be in this journey. But one of the most interesting things I have heard for myself is when you sell, how important is that you sell a story. You don't just sell a product. That you have, it's really about communications and marketing. Very often, remember, I told you about my background, we help Finnish manufacturers sell abroad. But their strategy is basically to be somewhere in the forests next to Uusi Kaupunki and to wait for the phone to ring. And after they go to training, they start aggressively waiting for the phone to ring. This is the dramatic change in their strategy, right?